Welcome back to Joe Rooster. It's been a while since we've done a Joe Rooster video, and here it is. I'm Joe Rooster. Excuse me, I'm Kerwin. I'm Berwin. I'm Kendra. I'm Rochelle. I'm fine with you. Wait, Kerwin, Berwin, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be dead. I know. We're going on a summer vacation. This is our summer vacation. Hey, I like my summer vacation. I'm gonna jump in the room. Joe Rooster now! And this has been Joe Rooster's summer vacation. Say hi, Joe.
What can I say except